So here's how you can use your iPhone to add voice to Canva videos. Let me show you exactly how you can do this and achieve this goal. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe, and that way you will never miss anything important. Well, of course, you have your Canva app ready. You are most likely in the middle of editing a video project, but in order to add your voice, you have to just click on the audio button below. Right, so you are likely, as I said, in the project, you are editing, so there's going to be a little timeline below. And yeah, in that case, you have to click on the add audio right there. And this will let you pick the generated audio, or you can pick from some of the tracks which are part of the selection. But one of the options is literally to record the voiceover. And when you click on this, it's going to ask you to access your microphone most likely, so you have to allow it. And then you can just tap on record, and that audio which you are going to speak over your video, it's going to be added into the clip. So yeah, you can perhaps retake it if it doesn't go best the first time, right? So but it works like a dedicated audio layer which you can add and edit according to your clips. So it works well. You can add your voice very nicely. So if you like Canva, that is the best way to do this. Outside of that, there are also different editors for your videos which have the same functionality, so it's not like you have to stick with this, but it works well in here as well. So thanks a lot for watching. Let me know if you have any further questions. Thanks a lot, as I said, and I'll see you later.